Okay, so we are just gonna walk around. Okay, muốn nói về cái sai đi chả because nó nói nhiều chữ mình chỉ chờ nó nói là everybody's here. Even it rains, everybody's here. That is New Year. Lần nào là nét chúng ta có nhầm món gì nhỉ?
Nhầm mà.
Mua xe cơ. Đấy nhá, học Fresno sao?
Chưa, mình có sạch nó rồi.
Đấy tôi phải thằng đó. Đã chỉ là cái lên, nó tuần lần này à?
Nhầm mà.
You get not too lucky today, but hey, it's good, right? Right? Even all these guys and us, we still here for you guys, right? Right? Yeah. Okay, so she's one of the pageant contestants, I think. Let's go say hi. Hey, nhớ rồi.
Nhớ rồi.
Nè sẵn ta nằm mỏ vậy à? Contestant.
Sẵn ta nằm mỏ, thế thì chưa sẵn đó.
Có chỉ sẵn đó?
Sẵn San Diego.
Really? I thought you sang here too. Oh, okay. Wow. So you guys just got here today?
Yeah, we just got here, but we've been here at the New Year for a couple days.
Oh, okay. I thought you sang inside too. So how's San Diego? Yeah.
Nice. It was just really cold over there.
Oh, no, huh?
Yeah.
Which one done there? No, that one, huh?
Huh?
I mean, I'm not in San Diego, but I'm in Orange County.
Oh.
OC.
Yeah, is this cold?
Yeah. I haven't been there for a year, so I don't know.
Yeah, I've never been to their New Year. This was my first year over there.
Really? Oh. So, they're your sister?
Yeah, we have sister.
So, are you the only one?
We have two older ones, but they're married.
Oh, how about you guys? Who's the older one of you guys?
Me.
Oh, you're the only one of your
I'm
group?
the oldest one right here.
Oh, okay. So, what's your name?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I got your sister, your man.
Tụi nó có số nào còn tụi nó xin phải phổ vô Christy. Còn tụi nó sẽ tới cho mình lên.
Bây giờ sợ chưa?
Bây giờ mong thọ tụi nó.
Mong thọ.
Tụi nó xin phải phổ vô mong giàu.
Oh, the last one?
Yeah. Tụi nó xin purple.
Oh, purple, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, really? She's aunt?
Yeah.
Is she younger than you?
Yeah.
Does she mong gì lên đó?
Yeah. I guess.
Mong gì is aunt, right? Yeah. Okay. All right, have fun, guys. I'll see you guys later.
Hey, what's that running?
Okay, I will stay here and do a 360. So there are still so this is what we have today right now. It's raining a little bit lightly. You could say it's a small shower, but we still see everyone. Oh, I think I got some water spot on the lens, but I think it's okay. I don't want to clean it. Okay, they are wearing the new style. Like we saw yesterday with the different clothing style. Let's zoom out. Hey, how are you guys? Having fun? I know, don't know any commitment. It's so rain. Yeah. Nên nhau không nói sao? Đấy sao? Chắc chắn cái này sao này nó này yếu nó sao? Yếu sao? Bây giờ là sao? Yeah, easier. Này sister. Có gì sao? So, các cô già, what's your name? Nú hả? Các sợ chưa? Sợ trái hả? Đây các già sister xem trái hả? Các già sister sợ trái hả? À, mình các già friend này. Chỉ hả? À, mới nhận được. So she's Mông ba hả? Oh, she's a Yang. Me too. So you're cousin, yeah. Cho tôi bên đó đấy. Itu moli, itu something. Oh, tu siapa yang nak yang kau moli lah? Oh, dia mungkin jadi tu kerja kau moli lah. Hi, Happy New Year. What, you cold? No, huh? Really? Cô sáng là chỉ nói nên là có nhiều món Sacrifice, right? Alright, let's go this way. So is a beer? You guys have beer in here too? Ah, okay. So I guess this year they do have I guess I do have beer in here in the background. Interesting.
You trying to get in?
No, I'm trying to check on all the beer, more chung no sa.
Ah,
It looks like they have beer, more chung no sa.
nó mua beer à?
Nó mua beer vậy?
Nó mua.
Oh, okay. Mua anh em mua thế?
Nó mua chơi ra sao?
Oh, okay. Cái gì chủ hậu sao vậy? Oh, okay. Go here and see. Looks like this where we can get some beer, some drinking. We're gonna go inside and see what's like inside. Let me get my ID and then we go in. Beer garden. I guess we're going outside to get a wristband. So once we get the wristband, we can enter the beer drinking area. So let's go out and get the wristband, and we go. Did he say the same thing too? You have to get a wristband from the other door.
Wristband is free.
Oh, okay. All right. So looks like he's not lying to me. So.
They check ID over there? No.
Oh.
I don't know. They check ID on that side.
Okay. Yeah, because he told me that I had to go around to the other side, get a wristband, then come back to there.
So. They check ID on that side.
Oh, okay. Let me go see. You're not going?
I want a bit.
You got a little bit? Okay. All right. So we are fellow drinker. We try to get in. So I gotta go and see if I can get my wristband. Oh, I see. They don't go now, no, hello. Everybody's in here.
It's cold.
Yeah, right. It's so cold outside.
I need to.
Yeah. All right, we are heading out. Hey, hi guys. Hey, do you know that you can drink beer in here, right?
What?
How beer top or not?
I'm 18.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought you were like 22 or something.
Give me a drink. You want to do that?
Is that how it is? Hey, you see Pahua and them, right? They're outside earlier. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Cô chỉ tha nè. Yeah, cô nhìn thấy video cái chị have fun. Yeah, cô bỏ lần thả có nhập món à.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think we're still looking for the.
Yeah, wait, is that your friend, sister?
Amy.
Amy got the friend? Huh?
Yeah, we're down for dinner.
Oh, really? I didn't know
I
that.
just met new friends right here too.
Hey guys.
Ming and Cheng.
Bạn ấy chào hả?
Yeah.
See, hey, nếu tôi bỏ đến lúc này tôi bỏ luôn à. So you know what that means, right?
Sorry, because you special, that's why.
Oh, is that how it is? Man. Tụi cứ chỉ bỏอยู่lúc này chỉ bỏ there. Well, okay, you guys have fun. I'll see you guys.
It's great. Yeah, my contact.
All right, we will go out and get our wristband, and then maybe we'll get into the drinking section. Okay, this is where we're gonna get our wristband to get inside, because I was on the other side trying to get in, but they say I cannot unless I have my wristband. So here we go. I think I will have to get my ID and then to get a wristband and then go inside. Okay, so we're in here. I got my wristband, as you can see. I got my wristband. So we are in here in the lounge for 21 over. We're gonna come here and then drink some beer. It was, I believe, it was sponsored by Bud Light. So we are in here. I have to buy my own beer though, but it's free to get in. Okay. So getting here is free. No entrance fee, but we have to get our own beer. Oh, I see you made it in too, right? All right, we all made it in. All right. Yeah, so I guess it's true. We come around the other side and then we get our wristband. This is the 21 over section. And then we can buy our beer and then we can drink here. I didn't know that until today, so I'm a little bit late. If I knew that, I would come in earlier and have a few shots before we head out to the New Year. That will create some buzz. You know, I might have a better chance of talking to get introduced to them. So, alright, here we are inside the 21 over. Alright, so what do you guys think? You know, this year they have a drinking.
Love it.
It's so nice to go
Yeah, sure, definitely. All right, so it looks like they like it. I like it because
I love it. It's a really nice thing for people to get to know each other.
Yeah, I know, right? Nice and cozy.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially it's raining now, right? Yeah. So you have to get a wristband too.
Yeah.
So that's the thing. All right, we're gonna get wristband. Well, I guess it's better for us guys because we bust the payment up and then someone the good time, right? Well, you guys too? No way. I'm the only guy.
No, girls too.
Girls too? Wow, this is good. Wow. Okay, something new for me. Because I thought the guy was the one that got nervous. Because we get to approach you guys, right? Yeah, so we get nervous more than you guys.
But I think we would like to approach other people. Yeah, vice versa.
Really? Oh, hey, good to know. That's new to me, okay? So next time if I see somebody, at the club or whatever, they're nervous too, alright? Okay, so we're back out from the beer drinking section, okay? Mấy mùa họ bia họ ta vậy, nên rồi mấy lò mùa bên nó là mùa đặc mùa sai sẽ mùa chín gì. Wow, giờ này hai ông lên no là nên chỉ nhớ tàu. Nè. I know, right? Nên giờ mua tụi bò là cái chim mua xia rồi. Yeah, chỉ bò có xong mất trước đi là hay à. Chỉ nói này hả? Nói thế hả? You get nông xem khôi đó. I'm like my god. Này tại sao? Wow. Đây nhá hồi đó hay đó?
Denver, Colorado.
No, wow. Hey, đến tôi Colorado tôi cần hay ra. Tan thân đi tôi Colorado tôi đó.
What happened to this one? He's from Georgia.
Oh, wow, everywhere. Đây là khá đó.
We're niece, aunt and niece.
Oh, aunts and niece. Oh, okay. So how about the other two? Same thing? Tụi tỏ giờ có cho niece hả?
Yeah.
Oh. So what is your name?
My name is Zhang.
Zhang hả?
Zhang Mua.
Sàng mùa hả? Oh, okay. So that means cái tuần niece là 4 mùa hay hả?
Yes.
She's a mua. Oh, then mà mua?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Oh, của mua da.
Yes.
I'm a Yang, so yeah, có mua da. Của Thái hả?
Thái.
Yeah. Zhang, right?
Yeah.
I'm very bad with names, so I have to say many times to remember.
I'm sorry?
But I'm very bad with names.
Oh, me too.
Yeah, so I know, so I have to say like so many times.
Yeah.
But chưa chắc có thể record được mà nhập ra. Yeah. Sau đầu tiên đây cấp phê một trẻ.
Monday.
Monday sao?
Monday.
Nhớ còn chơi New Year nghe nha.
Yeah. Năm nay thôi, sầu cho mấy mỏng chị.
Ok. Đây trả lũ tôi là.
No, yeah, nhưng không
Colorado, so let's see. 1 hour?
No, it's about almost 3 hours.
Really? Oh, okay. They just get it the Colorado River.
No, we're in Denver. We're in Denver.
Oh, I keep thinking about the Colorado River. I was like, oh, okay, my bad. Okay, my geography is really bad. So geography is really bad. So, wow, they're in Denver, Colorado. So does she know what's snow thing?
Yes, what's no month? What's no month?